Good day, this is the Professor, CBFD PhD, and today's Monday, June 5th, 2023. It is 6:51 and 37 seconds, p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and today's research, wound healing ink. So let's hop to it here. As painting a wound healing ink in two cuts with a 3D printing pen. Date June 1st, 2023. Source: American Chemical Society. The body is pretty good at healing itself, though more severe wounds can require bandages or stitches. But researchers have now developed a wound healing ink that can actively encourage the body to heal by exposing the cut to the immune system's vessels. The ink can be spread into a cut of any shape using a 3D printing pen and invites the technology nearly completely repaired wounds in just 12 days. When the skin is cut or torn, the body's natural construction crew kicks in to fix it back up, clearing out any bacterial invaders, regrowing broken blood vessels, and eventually forming a scar. Many techniques used to heal wounds can't do much beyond helping the body do its job better. Bandages or stitches are used to prevent further bleeding, while antibiotics work to prevent complications from infections. And by adding members of the construction crew to a wound healing treatment or bandage, it can actually accelerate the natural healing process, specifically white blood cells or the extracellular vessels secreted from them to play important roles in promoting blood vessel formation and reducing inflammation during healing. The team developed a system called PAINT, or portable bioactive ink, for tissue healing, using extracellular vessels secreted from macrophages combined with sodium alginate. These components were combined in a 3D printing pen where they mixed the pen's tip and formed a sturdy gel at the site of injury within 3 minutes. The extracellular vessels promoted blood vessel formation and reduced inflammatory markers at human epithelial cells, shifting them into proliferative or growth phase of healing. As mice with pain had almost healed completely from a large wound after 12 days, compared to mice that didn't receive the treatment, who were not nearly as far along in the healing process at this time point. The researchers say that this work can help heal a wide variety of cuts quickly and easily without the need for complex procedures. And this is a professor on advanced physics, mathematics, computer science, and later research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.